Yeah, he's got it.
Come on, guys.
Yeah, everyone's following you. You got your flight plan program.
Your job is to watch out for electrical wires for me.
Well, the air conditioning, the coffee, and the floor labs on NBL, so you're going to have a great trip.
All right. Woo! My plane. All right. Woo! Because it's Brian.
Yeah, that might be better.
You want me to? Okay. I'll go to the front. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, I got to be up here. Okay. There we go. Woohoo! Oh, you scared her.
Now I gotta wait for everyone to catch up right here. We have not even begun the meeting. Awesome. Now, this is where it went ugly last time because somebody came behind me and said, "Go, Brian, go. It's good to go." So I did. The next thing,
Before you knew it,
I was in trouble.
was
They
it-
hated me and everything was
didn't
wrong.
Chuck lead last time?
Yeah.
And that'll keep you busy too.
Well, aren't they?
There's a ball over there.
Not like the inside. They picked it up.
Oh, no!
Geez. I was not expecting that. Hello.
We're getting the formation going. Where is everybody? Oh, there you go. Woo! That's the best.
Yeah, go back. They're going.
Oh wait, we gotta go.
Truck's over there.
Okay, got it. Truck's over there. Woo! Woo!
Sounds so perfect these days.
Yeah, it's like it's
Love it.
born in the world. Woo! SwineFest! Yeah, tomorrow night! Hey, Pig! Yeah, good candy! SwineFest! Woo! Woo! Hi! I'm candy free. Woo! Hey, I love it. Woo! Woo! SwineFest! Woo! Woo! cool dog. I'm gonna be hearing that f***ing horn all night. I'm gonna be hearing that horn all. I'm gonna be hearing that horn all night. Hey kids!
We're gonna get more candy than anyone. Yours are down the street.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. You're gonna just have to go for it in that left lane, and you're gonna.
Which way am I gonna turn?
Did they all turn? Okay, they're going. They're going around it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna roll on it here. And then you go to that street, the white there, and take a left turn. There you go. Lead this pack around.
We got out and we came back around because we have to do that circle.
Yeah.
If you want, it's only a few of them. I'm gonna go.
That's what I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna jump out and go back to the trailer here as soon as it like if you stop or slow down.
I don't think so. I'm gonna go right around.
Eat pig every day. It's SwineFest tomorrow night at 36th and Schaick. Pilots are welcome with a responsible adult at SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. Support your self-maintenance volunteers with our SwineFest dinner. You're invited to SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. Let's go SwineFest now. Everybody's chowing down. It's SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. If you drive a Chevy camper, you'll love SwineFest at 6:30 tomorrow night. 36th and Schaick is SwineFest tomorrow night. Tomorrow night at SwineFest. 6:30 at 36th and Schaick. Across from the bar and store, it's SwineFest. Everyone's invited, even pilots, to SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. SwineFest tomorrow night, 6:30, across from the Red Barn store. Let's go to the beach, eat pig every day. Let's go SwineFest now. Everybody's chowing down at SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. Come to our beach party tomorrow night. Let's go to the beach. SwineFest tomorrow night. I've got so many beach-related puns they won't let me say on this megaphone. You guys get to join tomorrow night, 36th and Schaick. It's SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. Let's go SwineFest now. Everybody's going down. Ladies, gentlemen, and pilots who bring a responsible adult are all welcome at SwineFest tomorrow night. Coming down to our beach party at 6:30 at 36th and Schaick. 9 out of 10 dentists agree. If you have a Lance camper, you will love SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. Come on down to 36th and Schaick. We're looking forward to seeing you at the beach party. It's SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. Favorite volunteers, you're already dressed for the beach. You may as well come. 36th and Schaick tomorrow night. Let's go you think the internet and charging stations are great, you will love SwineFest. It's right here, tomorrow night at 6:30. It's SwineFest. We're having a beach party and you're invited to SwineFest tomorrow night at 6:30. Okay. SwineFest volunteers.
I can't believe you did that the whole time.
Oh my
I'm definitely gonna have to be drinking a lot of water tomorrow.
That's hilarious. Oh look, it's Sean and Ed. Hi Sean and Ed.
How's your cocktail?
Very good. Yeah. Where'd Bernie?